antenna on a 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic for this rocket-shaped antenna. So cool, isn't it? And well, this is what we'll be replacing. So as far as I know, all you have to do is twist this off. Let's go look at it and match it up. Okay, so at all these parts that they gave us, we need this one. This is for the 2020 Dodge Ram Classic. It fits. And we need the antenna. And then we screw this piece into here. Super simple, like. Snug down, nice tight fit. And then the antenna goes on. It does leave a little bit of a gap right there. So you could probably put some kind of spacer in there. It came with spacers, but they didn't fit. Because I believe this kit is for 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500, but this is a 2020 Ram 1500 Classic. So maybe it's a little slightly different, but probably not. And that's what it looks from over back this way. Let's see if the radio still works. Alright, we're inside and we're going to check out to see if that antenna works. There we go. Alright, let's have some radio. Yeah, sure, okay. Now the radio works just fine. Can we find the CBC channel?
Okay, like there's so many male-led calls, and that's kind of a type.
Yep.
And what would it look like if that type was?
No issues there.
Two.
No issues with the radio working. The antenna's on. You can't even see it really from the inside of the truck. There it is, way over there. So that antenna's installed. It's from Amazon. It's a rocket ship slash bullet. I think it looks more like a rocket ship than a bullet. They do have very bullet looking ones, like 50 cals and stuff. I like rockets, so I went with the rocket one. It went on very easily, very smoothly. The quality seemed good. The radio works. So I'm very pleased with one of my first modifications to my new 2020 Ram. Keep in touch and we'll do some more modifications later on. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.